This is Helpscreen and this is how to fix Workday app not working. So this is an Android and Apple device tutorial, so follow along. So guys, today I'm going to show you multiple solutions in order for you to fix this issue. So for the first solution, just go to your Google Play Store and then from here, just search for Workday. And then guys, just tap on the app and just make sure you are running the latest version of the app. And when this application of an update, you should be able to update it over here. So now for the second solution guys, is just go to the settings on your device and then from here, tap on the apps and then here, just find Workday on your device. And once you find it guys, just tap on it. Then from here, tap on the storage and make sure to clear cache and also clear data. And now guys, if any of the solutions I provided doesn't work, all you have to do now is reinstall the application on your device. So first, uninstall Workday on your device. And then once it is uninstalled, you can just go back to the Google Play Store and then from here, install it back again. And then from there, you should be able to have a working Workday application and you should be able to fix the issue. And there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe and thanks for watching guys. See ya!